Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change the language on your CoinEx application. To change the language on the CoinEx app, first of all, open the CoinEx application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the home page, go to your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now, in the expanded menu, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, look for a language option and tap on it. Choose your desired language from the list of available options, and right after you select one, the app should automatically switch to your preferred language, as you can see it on the screen. If not, you may need to restart the app to apply the changes. And that's how you can easily change your display language. Your CoinEx app will now display in the selected language. You can always get back to the same location and change to a different language of your preferences every time you want. So that is how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.